All right, 6:44, another dry day on tap.
Oh, nice. You've been waiting for that, haven't you?
Actually, I just thought of it. Imagine that.
You were so quick.
Hey, you know your brain's still working
73 is the peak age to come up with quips on the fly.
You're on the verge of being a math pro as well. You got to be with us earlier in the show for that. Now, we've got a MaxTrack Live that is great because look at this. That looks like precipitation. Those are false echoes, anomalous propagation. We've got clear skies this morning, so no worries about any kind of precipitation out there. You got to go north or south to find it. Snow over the Great Lakes are still dealing with winter in Cleveland, and you've got rain down over the deep south. So we're not dealing with either of them. We are dealing with ongoing river flooding, though. That extends down the Mississippi River Valley. Those are all river flood warnings, and especially as you get down around Lake Cumberland, the Cumberland River. Still dealing with high water down there and ongoing flooding out through Knox County as you head into our eastern counties. Still have a few flood warnings out there. So still some residual issues due to the heavy rain from over the weekend. And of course, the heavy rain that preceded that. Here's the future track, and this is the encouraging sign. We dried out Sunday. We had those morning showers early in the morning, and then most of your Sunday was dry, really windy. Yesterday we were dry again, and the wind backed off, but it was chilly. Today we're still dry, it's mostly sunny, and we're warmer, and there's only a little bit of wind out there, so just every day it gets a little better. Tomorrow we may take a crack at 60 degrees, and the one drawback with tomorrow, and I talked about this a little bit yesterday, there is a very low-end chance, you can see it by Wednesday night, to maybe spark some sprinkles, some isolated rain showers out there, but that's really about it. Our better chance for rain will get going Thursday and into the weekend, and the last thing we need is rain. As you break down the rain stats as far as just solely our wettest February, Lexington is now at the number 6 spot, our 6th wettest February with over 7 inches of rain. Frankfort is at number 2, and our number 1, our wettest Februaries for Lexington and Frankfort were both in 2018. Jackson and London, you hit your number 1 spot this year. I mean, how could you not when in London you've had over 11 inches of rain in our shortest month of the year, and the month isn't even over yet. Here comes more rain. Now, this will get going really tomorrow, so I'm taking you Thursday, the end of the month, into March. But look at this. We've got you spread out over numerous days, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We're talking a quarter to half an inch of rain in total. So the amounts are going to stay much lighter. It doesn't look like we're going to have to deal with the torrential rain aspect and the potential flooding aspect of this. That I think will be more of an issue for deep south states there. So upper 20s, sun just starting to come up downtown. The air is bone dry at 18 degrees for the dew point. But look at this, 29 for the current temperature. Later on today, we're going to be in the mid-50s, above average. And check out tomorrow. Even with that late-day cloud cover and that isolated shower sprinkle chance, we should edge into the low 60s. So tomorrow will be balmy compared to where we were yesterday. And then we got some big-time ups and then a big-time down out there at the end of the 8-day forecast. You'll see that here in a second. 54, mostly sunny. Enjoy it. Mid-30s, mostly clear tonight. Tomorrow, low 60s, that isolated shower sprinkle chance in the evening, and then a better chance for some showers Thursday later in the day. And unfortunately, lighter showers on and off going into the end of the weekend into the weekend. Cold enough on the back end of that and overnight. There may be at times wintry mixes to contend with. Shouldn't be anything big, but still have to watch out for that. And yes, that cold snap is still brewing for the end of the 8-day forecast. We're not out of the woods as far as that goes.